Alright guys, so this is the hair fully on my head. I did use a little bit of my Lotta Body to lay the part down, and I used my pink scarf on top. So it is semi-flat, not like as flat as it could be. But I'm going to go ahead and flat iron this hair. So for serum, I'm going to be using my Super Skinny Serum by Paul Mitchell. And I'm going to do 2 pumps. And I'll rub it together and just put it all throughout my hair. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Shanae Mickles. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I styled this wig from BestHairBuy. I didn't use any glue, no tape, and I did not sew this hair on. I literally just put on my wig cap and put on the wig, and it fit pretty snug. And this is a 13x6 lace. It enables you to part as deep as you can and don't have to worry about leave out. So your part can go all the way back to look as realistic as possible. I really do like this hair. As I do state in the video, after I flat iron it, it does still get kind of poofy, so I'm not sure how it'll last out in the heat, but for inside, it'll definitely last. Maybe I'll try to do another review on this wig using a different product to see if the straight hair will actually stay straight. But I mean, it's not like a bad poofy. I feel like it's still wearable. It's just more of like a natural look, not so much sleek. And also, when you order from this website, you can get a free salon steam hair straightener. That's only if you order over $189, and it doesn't matter which wig that you get. But yeah, this is my second time doing this video, so if my energy is low, y'all, please excuse that. But yeah, I will have all the details down below in the description box, so just sit back and enjoy the video. Alright guys, so already I can tell this hair probably won't stay straight because I can already see it kind of puffing up even with the serum that I use. And I am using my flat iron at the highest degree, which is 465. So I'm going to just go ahead and finish the rest and see how it turns out.
I didn't know about you.
Baba